Hello everyone, let's dive into the FOIFKIN M9 PC case. This mid-tower ATX case immediately grabs your attention with its unique wood walnut front panel. It's a refreshing change from the typical all-metal or plastic designs we often see, bringing a touch of natural elegance to your gaming setup. The combination of wood and metal is well executed, making it a standout piece in any modern workspace. The 270 degrees panoramic glass design is another highlight. It offers a wide, unobstructed view of your components, allowing you to showcase your build in all its glory. The dual-chamber design helps to separate the heat-generating components, improving overall cooling efficiency. Speaking of cooling, the M9 comes pre-installed with three 120mm ARGB PWM reverse fans. These fans not only provide excellent airflow, but also add a vibrant splash of color to your system. The hinged design of the glass side panel is a thoughtful touch, making it easy to access and maintain your components without needing any tools. For those who want even more cooling power, the case can accommodate up to 10 120mm fans, strategically placed on the sides, top, and PSU shroud. This ensures that you don't have to compromise on cooling performance for the sake of aesthetics. Inside, the M9 offers ample space for your components. It supports ATX, micro ATX, and IDX motherboards, providing flexibility for different build configurations. There's also room for a 360mm cooler, ensuring compatibility with high-end cooling solutions. The case can accommodate CPU coolers up to 170mm in height and GPUs up to 400mm in length, making it suitable for even the most powerful graphics cards. The power supply bay supports ATX PSUs up to 220mm. For storage, it includes one 3.5-inch HDD bay and one 2.5 SSD bay, where you can opt for two 3.5 HDD bays. The expansion slots are configured as 7+3, providing ample room for expansion cards. The front panel I/O is well equipped with a Type-C 3.0 port, a USB 3.0 port, a USB 2.0 port, and microphone and audio jacks. The inclusion of a Type-C port is a welcome addition, providing fast data transfer speeds for compatible devices. The power, reset, and LED switch buttons are conveniently located for easy access. FOIFKIN also emphasizes product quality and customer support. They offer a risk-free purchase, and if you encounter any issues with the case, they encourage you to contact them for assistance. This commitment to customer satisfaction is reassuring. In conclusion, the FOIFKIN M9 is a well-designed and feature-rich PC case that stands out with its wood walnut front panel and panoramic glass design. It offers excellent cooling performance, ample space for components, and a user-friendly design. If you're looking for a case that combines aesthetics and functionality, the M9 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.